Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and getting creative with Runway ML. This awesome tool lets you transform still images into short videos, adding a whole new dimension to your photos. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Google and search for Runway ML. Sign up for a free account using your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see a big Start Generating button. Click on that to begin the magic. Now it's time to upload your image. Click Upload and choose the picture you want to bring to life. Here's where it gets cool. Underneath the image, you'll see a section called Camera. This lets you fine-tune the motion in your video. Play around with the camera settings. You can adjust horizontal and vertical movement, add some roll for a cool spin effect, zoom in or out, and even tilt the image. Once you're happy with your adjustments, click Done. Now comes the moment of truth. Click that big Generate button and wait a few seconds while Runway ML works its AI mojo. Boom! Your video is ready. Check out the amazing results. You can even download it to share with your friends. Before you head out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more awesome AI tutorials.